Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make cheeses in Infinite Crafts. So guys, first of all, let me reset first. Now I'll show you. So just drag earth over here and just combine with wind, and now just use fire and wind together to make smoke. Just combine earth with just water over earth, or just water over smoke to make fog. And once you have fog, just use dust with earth to make planet. Now combine planet with fog to make Venus. Once you have Venus, just use dust and water, and now use Venus with the mud to make Adam, and use Adam with Venus to make Eve. Now combine Adam and Eve to make human. Now once you have human, combine both two human together to make family. Now once you have family, guys, now just use human over family to make baby, and now just combine fog with Venus to make love, and now combine human with love to make angel. Now we are very close. Just use mud here, and just combine with a fire to make brick, and now use brick over brick to make wall. Now use dust and two dust together, combine two dust together, and now just use fire with sand to make glass. Now combine glass with wall to make window, and just use wall with window to make house. Now just combine angel with house to make church, and this is the last step, guys. Not the last step, still we are 3 steps away. So just use Adam and earth to make man, and combine man with baby to make son, and now you can combine church and son to make Jesus. This is how you can make Jesus. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.